Honey Daddy's recording. You say hello?
Hello.
Can you guys sing a song for me? Can you sing 1, 2, 3 like a bird I see? Caitlin, that's a very lovely song you're singing for Owen.
Thank you.
And he seems to like it, doesn't he?
Yes.
Yeah.
Because you're singing so gently.
Thank you.
Watch your hair.
Yeah?
Pardon?
I'm cooking.
Was he kicking a little bit?
Yeah.
Gentle, gentle.
You touching his toes, buddy?
She.
Aw, sweet.
She.